Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see if a Facebook page is running ads. So let's go to the Facebook account first. After going to your Facebook account, you have to click on this search button and you have to search the page you want to see if it's running ads or not. I'm searching this page, and you have to go to about section, click on about, and then you'll find here page transparency. You have to click on just page transparency. That's simple. And then you'll find here page transparency, and near here that you'll find this page is currently running ads. Okay, that means this page is currently running ads. So again, I'm showing you with the different kind of page like this. Go to same about first. You have to go to page transparency, and then you can see that this page is not currently running ads. Okay, so this is how you can check. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.